Now we want to calculate the maximum speed with which a car can take a turn on a banked road. Now we want to calculate maximum speed. Now we want to calculate maximum speed with which a car can take a turn on a banked road. In our last video, we discussed about the optimum speed. Optimum speed is the speed with which if a car can take a turn on a banked road, there will be no wear and tear of tires. If a car can take a circular turn on a banked road with optimum speed, there will be no wear and tear of the tires. Okay? But if the speed of the car is more than optimum speed, then what happens? If the speed of the car is more than optimum speed, one part of centripetal force is supplied by perpendicular component of normal reaction and other part is given by the frictional force. Again I repeat it, if a car take a circular turn on a banked road with a speed more than optimum speed, then one part of centripetal force is supplied by perpendicular component of normal reaction. Perpendicular component of normal reaction means n sin theta, and other part is given by the frictional force. You just see the diagram. So this is the banked road, and this is the car. So this is the normal reaction, this is angle of banking. If this is angle of banking, this is also angle of banking. If this is angle of banking, this is also theta. So this will be theta. So n can be resolved into two components. One is n cos theta and one is n sin theta. So this is the direction of the frictional force. Why the frictional force is towards the center of the circular track? Because when the car does not get the required centripetal force, then what happens? The car skid in opposite direction. We already discussed it in our last video. When a car does not get the required centripetal force to take the circular turn, then what happens? The car skid in opposite direction. If the car skid in opposite direction, this will be the direction of the friction. That means this frictional force helps or stops the skidding of the car. A frictional force to ki kore skidding of the car to tomar ki stop kore, or this frictional force supply the necessary centripetal force. So therefore this is the frictional force, this is the angle theta. How this angle is theta? If this angle is theta, this angle will be 90 minus theta. Yes or no? This will be 90 minus theta. This angle is again 90 degree. So therefore this angle is 90 minus 90 minus theta is equal to theta. If this angle is theta, this is theta. If this is theta, this is theta. Therefore Fs can be resolved into two components. One is Fs cos of theta. In which direction? This is the Fs cos of theta. It is along the radius towards the center of the circular track. This is Fs cos theta and this is Fs sin theta. Have you seen the diagram? These Fs can be resolved into two components. This component is Fs cos theta and this component is Fs sin theta. Now for vertical equilibrium, what? N cos theta is equal to Fs sin theta plus mg. You just see. N cos theta is equal to Fs sin theta plus mg. But what is Fs? Fs is mu Sn. So therefore n cos theta is equal to mu s n sin theta plus mg. So if I take this term towards the left hand side and taking n common, cos theta minus mu s sin theta is equal to mg. This is equation 1. Okay, in this diagram, this fs cos theta plus n, this fs cos theta plus n supply the necessary centripetal force. So for horizontal equilibrium, mv square by r is fs cos theta plus n sin theta. What is fs? Fs is mu s n. Yes or no? So therefore, you just see n sin theta plus fs cos theta is mv square by r. What is fs? It is mu s n. We will get this. Taking n common, we are getting this. This is equation number 2. Therefore, if we divide equation 2 by 1, then we are getting this. N get cancelled. We are getting this. Have you seen it? N sin theta plus mu s cos theta divided by cos theta minus mu s sin theta v square by rg. These m and these m get cancelled. R will come in the denominator. So if I divide this equation by cos theta, in the numerator and denominator, then what happens? We are getting this mu s plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. How is it possible? Because if we divide it by cos theta by cos theta 1, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta, cos theta by cos theta 1, sin theta by cos theta tan theta. So therefore v square is equal to rg this. So therefore v is square root of rg this. So this is the maximum speed with which a car can take a circular turn on a banked road. In this particular case, this speed is more than optimum speed. Therefore, one part of centripetal force is supplied by perpendicular component of normal reaction. That is the n sin theta, and other part is given by one component of the frictional force. One part of centripetal force is supplied by n sin theta, that is a perpendicular component of normal reaction, and other part of centripetal force is given by one component of frictional force. So in this case, have you got it? So this is the maximum speed with which a car can take a circular turn on a banked road, and this speed is more than the optimum speed. So maximum speed with which a car can take a circular turn on a banked road is this. V is square root of rg mu s plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. Now case 1, if mu s is 0, if I put mu s is 0, that means if there is no frictional force, if there is no friction, so mu s is 0, so this term will get 0, so tan theta by 1, that means we are getting V is equal to rg tan theta. What is this? This is nothing but the optimum speed. We already calculated. V is equal to rg tan theta. V is square root of rg tan theta. Yes or no? So this is the optimum speed. That means if the car can take circular turn on a banked road with this particular speed, there will be no wear and tear of tires. But if the speed of the car is more than this, then one part of centripetal force is given by perpendicular component of normal reaction, and other part is given by one component of frictional force. And from the calculation, we have seen that the maximum velocity with which a car can take a circular turn on a banked road is V, given by this expression. Any car cannot take that circular turn safely with a speed more than this. কোনো গাড়ীয়ে এই সার্কুলার টার্নটো এইটো স্পীডতকৈ বেছি স্পীডত যাব নোৱাৰিব। যদি যাব বিচাৰে সেইখন কি হ'ব? অভাৰ টাৰ্ণ হ'ব বা অপজিট opposite to the center of circular track হি কি কৰিব skid কৰিব বুজি পাইছা case 2 if theta is 0 মানে if angle of banking is 0 theta 0 means কি theta 0 means কি angle of banking is 0 if theta is equal to 0 then tan 0 is 0 so what is v v is equal to mu s rg v is equal to mu s rg this is also already discussed in the last video v is equal to square root of mu s rg v is equal to square root of mu s rg this is the maximum speed with which a car can take a circular turn on a level road theta 0 means কি theta 0 means কি banking নাই angle of banking 0 তবে রাস্তাটো প্লেন আছে level road বুলি কয় থাকে this is the maximum speed with which a car can take a circular turn on a level road case 3 this is the angle of banking this is the breadth of the road or the রাস্তাটোৰ বহল b রাস্তাটো কিমান বহল b breadth of the road is b how much the outer edge is raised it is raised by h is the elevation তাৰ মানে outer edge to মই কিমান ওপৰলৈ উঠাইছো এটোক h ৰ দ্বাৰা ডিটাৰমিন কৰিছো elevation বুলি কৈছে so এটো পাইথাগোৰাছ থিওৰাম এপ্লাই কৰিলে base will be square root of b square minus h square yes or no what is tan theta tan theta is nothing but perpendicular by base so therefore tan theta is equal to h divided by square root of b square minus h square but if h is very less than b you just see the condition if h is very less than b then what happens if h is very less than b then this h can be neglected so if this h is neglected what is square root of b square square root of b square is nothing but b so what is b b is the breadth of the road so tan theta is equal to h by b what is h is the elevation means it is the height through which the outer edge of the road is raised h to আমাক কি দিব h to দিব that height through which the outer edge of the road is raised but what is tan theta is v square by rg v is the optimum speed r is the radius of the circular track and g is the acceleration due to gravity so h by b is equal to v square by rg okay so this relation gives us what should be the optimum speed because breadth of the road is fixed radius of the circular track is fixed acceleration due to gravity is fixed and elevation is fixed therefore velocity is fixed okay one point is very important the roads are banked on the curve so this all requirement is only for the four wheeler but in case of two wheeler that means when a people ride a bicycle যেতিয়া এজন মানুহে সাইকেল চলাই যায় বা যেতিয়া এজন মানুহে মোটরসাইকেল চলায় when a man ride a motorcycle when he take the circular turn he always leans towards the center of the circular track when a man ride a bicycle or a motorcycle with very high speed then it is found that rider always lean মানে হালি যায় towards the center of the circular track while taking the circular turn তোমালোকে মোটরসাইকেল ৰেচ বিলাকত দেখিছা যে রাইডার বিলাকে যেতিয়া সার্কুলার টার্নটো লয় সিহঁতৰ ভৰিখন লেফট তেওঁলোকৰ ভৰিখনৰ নিটো কি কৰে গ্ৰাউণ্ডত লগাই দিয়ে why they do this because in case of two wheeler it is easy to supply the necessary centripetal force by bending from vertical towards the center of the circular track আমাক road to banked লাগে we have to make the banking of the road only for the four wheeler because four wheeler এখন হালি যাব নোৱাৰে a four wheeler cannot run on two wheels এখন চাৰিচকীয়া গাড়ী দুটা চকাৰ ওপৰত যাব চলিব নোৱাৰে সেইকাৰণে আমি ৰোডবিলাক বেংক কৰি দিয়ে ৰোডবিলাক অলপ এঢলীয়া কৰি দিয়ে অসমীয়াত এঢলীয়া কৰা বুলি কয় ৰোডটো অলপ এঢলীয়া কৰি দিয়ে যেতিয়া সাৰ্কুলাৰ টাৰ্ণটো আহে কিন্তু টু হুইলাৰৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত সেই প্ৰবলেমটো নাই বিকজ in case of two-wheeler, it is very easy to supply the necessary centripetal force by bending from vertical towards the center of the circular tract. Towards the center of the circular tract. ধৰি লোৱা আগতে মানুহজনৰ কি আছিল মানুহজন এনেকে থিয় হৈ আছিল মানুহজনে এনেকে বাইসাইকেল চলাই আছিল along with the মানুহজন এনেকে আছিল along with the bicycle মানে vertically এনেকে আছিল when he take the circular turn what he is doing he leans তেওঁ বেকা হৈ গৈছে কোনফালে with respect to vertical by an angle theta this is called angle of lean এটুকে angle of lean বুলি কয় what is this এইটো তোমাৰ কি this is the normal reaction এইটো angle theta মানে মোৰ এইটো theta এইটোৱে মোক কি দিব n cos theta দিব this n cos theta is balanced by weight of the rider along with the bicycle এইটো center of gravity of the bicyclist জনৰ center of gravity এইটো n cos theta কি কৰিব তোমাৰ bicyclist জনৰ weight to balance কৰিব ইয়াত আৰু এটা কম্পোনেন্ট থাকিব that component is কি সেই কম্পোনেন্টটো কি বুলি ক'ব n sin theta বুলি ক'ব This n sin theta supply the necessary centripetal force. A n sin theta to a necessary centripetal force to supply koribo. That means when a cyclist take a circular turn lower agote cyclist jon eneke asil. Cyclist is in this position. When he take the circular turn, he leans like this. তারপরে তেও এনেকে লিন হব so this is the direction of normal reaction act on the cyclist along with the cycle so this is the angle of lean মানুহজন ইমান এংগল হালি গৈছে গটিকে মই কি কৰিব পাৰিম এটো সেন্টার অফ গ্ৰেভিটি অফ দা মেন ইয়াৰ মাজেৰে weight to vertically downward এক কৰিছে so n can be resolved into two components one is n cos theta and one is n sin theta This n sin theta component, perpendicular component of normal reaction supply the necessary centripetal force. Necessary centripetal force to perpendicular component of normal reaction to supply করিছে আর weight to কোনে ব্যালেন্স করিছে n cos theta ব্যালেন্স করিছে Therefore n equilibrium কিমান হ'ব mv²/r is n sin theta আর mg is equal to n cos theta. So if I divide these two equations sin theta by cos theta is tan theta n get cancel and am to or a2m cancel jabo so tan theta is v²/rg in a circular track radius of the circular track is constant therefore more the velocity of the cyclist more will be the angle of lean যদি সাইক্লিস্ট জনৰ ভেলোসিটি বেছি হয় মানুহজন বেছিকে হালিব লাগিব আমাৰ মটৰসাইকেল ৰেস বিলাকত কি হয় they run the bicycle or they run the motorcycle with larger speed therefore they has to lean by larger angle that is why the knee of their feet সিহঁতৰ ভৰিৰ আঁঠুটো কি হয় মাটিত লাগি যায় তাৰমানে আমি যে ৰাস্তাটো বেংক কৰিব যে লাগে আমি যে ৰাস্তাটো যে এঢলীয়া কৰো অৰ বেংক কৰো BANKD বেংক কৰো on the curve হেতু কিহৰ কাৰণে কৰা হয় ইট ইজ অনলি ফৰ দ্য ফ'ৰ হুইলাৰ টু হুইলাৰৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত সেই প্ৰবলেমটো নাহে বিকজ টু হুইলাৰ কেন লিন টুৱাৰ্ডছ দ্য চেণ্টাৰ অফ দ্য চাৰ্কুলাৰ পাথ উইথ ৰেচপেক্ট টু ভাৰ্টিকেল টু হুইলাৰ জনে কি কৰিব পাৰে হালিব পাৰে হি কেন লিনছ টুৱাৰ্ডছ দ্য চেণ্টাৰ অফ দ্য চাৰ্কুলাৰ ট্ৰেক উইথ ৰেচপেক্ট টু ভাৰ্টিকেল বাই ডুইং ছ' he supply necessary centripetal force with the help of perpendicular component of normal reaction acting on him. By doing so, he supplied the necessary centripetal force from the perpendicular component of normal reaction acting on him. So therefore, he can take the circular turn very easily. Therefore, we have learned that when a cyclist or a car wants to take a circular turn, the necessary centripetal force is supplied by perpendicular component of normal reaction, and also one part of centripetal force is supplied by the force of friction. Okay, this is the reason why driver of a car always lower the speed of his car while taking the circular turn. এইটোৱে কাৰণ যিটো কাৰণৰ কাৰণে এখন গাড়ীৰ ড্ৰাইভাৰে তেওঁৰ গাড়ীখনৰ স্পীডটো সদায় ডিক্ৰিজ কৰে while taking the circular turn. যেতিয়া গাড়ী এখনে সার্কুলার টার্ন লব যায় যে ড্রাইভারজনে সদায় স্পীডটো ডিক্ৰিজ কৰে, বিকজ ইফ দ্য স্পীড ডিক্ৰিজেছ the less centripetal force is required, আৰু সেই less centripetal forceটো ফোর্স অফ ফ্ৰিকশনে দিব, হয়নে? আৰু যদি তেওঁ কি কৰিছে বেংক ৰোডত যদি গৈ আছে তেতিয়া তোমাক কি হ'ব? If the speed is less than the optimum speed or equal to optimum speed, in that case the required centripetal force is supplied by perpendicular component of normal reaction. যদি স্পীডটো more than optimum speed হয়, then other part of centripetal force is given by one component of the force of friction. Okay?